Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to our channel, and in this playlist of learning KQL from scratch, the next thing that we're going to learn is bin operator. One of the most very common operator that you will be using by dividing the results into a specific bins altogether. Okay, so let's say if I query sign-in logs for last 30 days, this is the result that I am getting. I'm going to add one more filter where I will say that where user principal name contains concepts work, and then just summarize the count, okay, by user principal name. So this value that I'm getting right now is the sign-in attempt for both the users in last 30 days. Now what I can do is I can add one operator called bin to know the count of sign-in logs for each and every day. Okay, so you can see here I'm saying bin time generated, and then I'm going to give my bin size, which is 1 day. So now the results that you see over here, these are the results for sign in attempt by user for each specific day. Okay, now if I want, I can change this to 1 HR, which will be 1 hour. Okay, and if I want, I can give, let's say, 7 days as well. Okay, so let me bring it back. It should be 7 days. Now the count that I'm getting is the sign-in attempt for these users for 7 days. Now, with this being said, you can add multiple conditions here, or you can say that I can give multiple column names, and then this particular bin will result the outcome of multiple columns as well. So what do I mean by this? That let's say here, as of now, I'm trying to query these sign-in logs for users in a specific day, but then I want one more condition. Let's say also break down this count as per the application name. So now the count that I'm getting right now is the number of sign-in attempt per user per application. Okay, so this is something which is actually very important, and we will be using it in our make series video. So I thought of just having a specific video for this particular section because this is very important. Okay, so this was all about knowing bin operator. In the next video, we'll talk about parsing. We'll talk about how the parse operator works, parse JSON and parse KV. So if you think that this channel is helping you to learn anything new, please feel free to subscribe and share this video with your technical community. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.